Welcome to KinderMom. KinderMom keeps you connected to your child's daily activities and progress at their kindergarten, nursery, or preschool. This guide will help you navigate the app, so you can stay informed and engaged with your child's experiences. If your child's kindergarten or childcare center isn't using KinderMom yet, we encourage you to let them know about this app and suggest they give it a try. If they are using KinderMom, they'll provide you with a user ID and password to log in. Let's get started. Installing and logging into KinderMom. To begin, download the KinderMom app from the App Store for iPhone or iPad, or from the Play Store for Android devices and tablets. Simply search for KinderMom and install it. You'll find an installation link in the video description as well. Once installed, use the user ID and password provided by your child's kindergarten to log in. If you have multiple children at the same center, you'll be able to view each child's information in one account. Navigating the KinderMom app. Once logged in, you'll see the timeline screen, which is where you can view all activities entered by your child's teacher. Each time a new activity is added, such as a photo or note, you'll receive a notification to keep you updated on your child's day. Let's go through the main features available to you as a parent in the KinderMom app. Timeline. The timeline is your central feed of activities specific to your child. Here, you can see updates like photos, videos, meals, nap times, and other daily care activities. Teachers regularly update the timeline to share moments of your child's day, making it easy to stay connected even when you're not there. Whenever a new activity is added, you'll receive a notification. You can view each entry, like photos or videos, and even leave comments to interact with the teacher and show your engagement. This helps create an open communication channel around your child's daily experiences. Class timeline. In addition to your child's personal timeline, the class timeline shows activities shared with your child's entire class. This view includes group activities, class projects, and outings, so you can get a sense of the overall classroom environment. It's a great way to see how your child is interacting with peers and participating in group activities. Dashboard. The dashboard provides you with a quick overview of essential information, helping you keep track of your child's attendance, activities, and progress. Student profile. Access your child's full profile, including personal details, emergency contacts, and other important information. Daily report. View a breakdown of all activities recorded for a specific date. This helps you keep track of everything your child did on a given day. Timeline overview. A quick visual showing recent activities, with icons for each activity type. When a new activity is logged, the corresponding icon turns green. Attendance. Check your child's attendance record, including check-ins, check-outs, and absences, all in one place. Skills and literacy. Track the academic and skill development goals set by your child's teacher. You can monitor their progress, from social and physical skills to reading and writing, to see how they're growing over time. The dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your child's experience, offering everything you need to stay informed and engaged in their early learning journey. Messages. With the Messages feature, you can directly communicate with your child's teacher. If you have questions or need updates, open Messages, select a student if needed, and send a message to the teacher. This creates a smooth, open line of communication, ensuring you're always informed and can easily reach out with any concerns or questions. Teachers can also message you about your child, sending direct updates, reminders, or special notes. This feature ensures you're kept in the loop in real time. Lost and Found. The Lost and Found menu keeps track of items your child may have left behind at the center. If the teacher or administrator finds something, they can log it in the Lost and Found section with a description. This way, you can quickly identify and claim your child's belongings without any hassle. KinderMom helps you stay closely connected to your child's day, providing regular updates, meaningful interactions, and a complete overview of their early learning experience. With features like the timeline, dashboard, messages, and lost and found, you'll always be informed, reassured, and able to support your child's growth. We hope this guide helps you navigate the KinderMom app with ease. Thank you for being an active part of your child's journey, and enjoy using KinderMom.